Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at just after 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time on the 26th of November 2018. And what I'm going to do in this short video is share with you a trade that I'm currently in and the reasoning behind the trade and why I took the trade and what I'm expecting to get out of the trade. And you'll learn by watching this video my approach to the market and timing of the trade. So let's dive straight in. So in our weekly preparation session, where we actually set up our supply and demand zones on all the markets that we trade, we set up these zones that you can see over here on the 1 hour chart of the dollar index. We were in supply at the beginning of the week or the end of last week, so we were expecting the market to move down. But since, as we said in the weekly preparation session, and also we said on the Where is the Dollar Going Next video, which I put out every Sunday, which analyzes the dollar that you see before you, explaining potentially what may happen next and the levels to look out for, as you can see here. So these levels were put in, and the dollar index was explained on the Where is the Dollar Going Next and in more detail in our weekly preparation session. So if you were lucky enough to get a trade off the open over here, which is the Asian session, and taken the dollar down, this would be a nice trade from supply to demand. Once the dollar hit demand, and this was around 4 AM Eastern Time, and started to move to the upside, I'm expecting this to continue moving higher because I'm bullish on the dollar at the moment based on the bigger time frames. So this was a great area to start looking for potential short trade on the euro. So let's move over to the euro now. As the dollar was moving into demand, the euro is moving into supply, and I took a trade on the short side over here with the stop obviously on the other side of the supply zone. And my target is not where the market is now. That wouldn't be a bad target, but I'm looking for this to break this area and potentially go lower, which it may or may not do. And looking for it to go down to this level over here. And you can see if we look at the pivot analysis here, we've put in kind of a lower high here, so I'm expecting a lower low, which we have got, but we still haven't broken this demand zone. So we've got a bit of an issue here that we may hold and may start pushing up again. So what I've done is I've actually moved my stop down to lock in profit for that, if just in case that happens, and I'm still looking for this to potentially continue moving to the downside. Okay, so let me show you the trade that I'm in at the moment. So this is the trade. You can see I've locked in profit here. This was my entry, as I said, over here, and locked in profit, and I'm looking for this to continue moving down to my target area, as I said, around this area over here. And again, I'm going to leave it overnight, and the worst case scenario, it will hit my it will trail me out, and I'd make this profit anyway. So I can only make more profit. I can't lose on the trade anymore. But you can see, based on this short video that I've put together for you to explain how we take trades, we usually sell in supply, buy in demand, but you have to know how to find those areas, zones in the market. And again, why am I not getting out here and expecting this to continue moving down even though it's a demand zone? Well, there's a number of reasons for that, and the main reason is it's a very weak zone now, so I'm expecting it to break that zone and continue moving down in line with the bigger time frames. So that's the reasoning, well, the main reason. There are other reasons as well which are beyond the scope of this video. So that's the trade, and what I'd like you to do is just comment in the, if you're watching on my YouTube channel, just put a comment in the YouTube channel, hit a like on the video, maybe share it with your friends, and see how this video may help you in your trading going forward. Okay, that's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. Good luck with your trading.